What's up, everybody, and welcome back to our epic series here at Epic Universe. And today is the final day. I know, I'm gonna miss it too. But today we are here at Celestial Park, the home of Stardust Racers, and this place is the heart of everything that there is to do here at Epic Universe. It is the gateway to your vacation, to your experience, and I am so excited to bring you guys along and show you everything that there is to do here in Celestial Park, including the rides and the dining. Now, let's get into it. Welcome to Celestial Park, the shining heart of Universal's epic universe. This is where every single journey begins. It's a cosmic oasis filled with gardens, glowing water shows, incredible dining, shopping, and even a luxury hotel view that I promise you'll never forget. Celestial Park is more than just the hub of Epic Universe. It is an attraction all its own. Inspired by the wonders of the cosmos and human imagination, this area blends the beauty of nature with the mystery of the cosmos. By day, it is serene, it's full of lush greenery, tranquil ponds, and shimmering pathways. But at night, this park comes alive. Every fountain and walkway glows to life with dazzling light and a music show that dances across the entire lagoon. I can't wait to show you guys.
Race through realms of power.
At the heart of it all is the Constellation Carousel. It is a one-of-a-kind ride that takes you through a dreamlike journey amongst constellations, galaxies, and you even get to ride some cosmic creatures. Every spin feels like you're drifting through a fantasy universe. This is such a quaint and beautiful ride. I love this place so much. And when you get hungry, Celestial Park has some of the best dining in the entire Epic Universe. Start your culinary adventure at the Blue Dragon Pan-Asian restaurant, where glowing lanterns and neon night market vibes meet incredible flavors all across Asia. We have a video about it not too long ago. Go back and check it out. I really love this restaurant. If Pan-Asian isn't what you're wanting, then there's Atlantic, a fine dining experience inside a golden dome surrounded by water. It has seafood, steaks, and, of course, panoramic lagoon views. If you're looking for something quicker, don't worry. The Oak and Star Tavern is a cozy gastropub with craft drinks, hearty bites, and it is a perfect place to wind down after a long day of exploring or gear up for a long day of exploring. Between the restaurants and rides, you'll find the Celestial themed boutiques and souvenir shops, each packed with exclusive Epic Universe merch and hidden Easter eggs from all 4 theme parks that connect this entire land. Speaking of which, this is going to be your gateway to the rest of Epic Universe. From here, you can step through one of the 4 glowing portals that lead to each incredible new world: the Wizarding World of Harry Potter Ministry of Magic, Super Nintendo World, Isle of Berk and How to Train Your Dragon, or the darkly magical Dark Universe. Each portal is framed in its own unique design, giving you a cinematic reveal moment like stepping through a movie screen into another reality. We just did all of the areas. Go back, check them out. We love these videos. Towering above it all is the Helios Grand Hotel. This is the crown jewel of Celestial Park, and this can be seen throughout nearly the entire park. It's a luxurious resort offering rooms that overlook the fountains and nightly water shows, which is incredible. Stick around to watch it. Plus, it offers private entrances directly into the park. Imagine waking up to the sunrise over the park and ending your day watching the stars reflected in the lagoon directly from your room. I mean, it doesn't get better. Whether you're exploring the gardens, enjoying world-class food, catching a show, or just soaking in the atmosphere, Celestial Park is the soul of Epic Universe. It's where every single adventure begins, and it's definitely where you're going to want to end your night watching this incredible water show.
raced through realms of power and play, stood face to face with monsters and darkness, and soared beyond the clouds with dragons. Now, Celestial Park invites you to a final celebration of these epic worlds.
with a rainy evening, I want to say thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this epic journey that we have taken. With all that being said, don't forget to keep the wanderlust alive, and we'll see you somewhere.